Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this interesting crochet work, that is a crochet necklace for all occasion, for every occasion, and this is super duper easy to make. I have made this using only braided technique or the chain technique with nice finished endings, and this is very light to wear, so you can pair it with any outfits. So without any delay, let's start with procedure. Here I am taking red color cotton yarn, just creating the slip knot around my finger, passing 4 mm crochet hook through the loop, and the slip knot is ready. Now simply I am creating the chain, so just yarn over and pass through before loop or previous loop. Yarn over and pass through previous loop, and that's it. So you just need to create the chains like this. Now here I have created big chain rope of 1 meter, and this is quite big in size, and we have to extend this till 5 meters. So after completing my 1 meter, I am just putting stitch marker here just to know that our 1 meter is done, and after each 1 meter I am going to put my stitch marker. Now continue making chains till you get total 5 meter long chain. So here I am completed with my 5 meter long chains. Now I am just cutting the yarn and creating the knot. So this is a huge bunch of chains. Now grabbing both the ends together and making 3 to 4 knots just to tie both the ends nicely. Cutting the thread or yarn, and then we have to find out the other end by holding both the ropes together. So this is the other end. Now connecting the first end with the other end like this. Now you have 4 bunches of chains, again finding the other end and joining with this first end. So now you have total 8 strands of the chains. So this is the thickness of our necklace. If you want, you can extend your design till the 6 meters or 7 meters. So it's all up to you how thick you want your necklace to be. And I am happy with 5 meters, so I am just keeping it like this, and it will come near the neck. So if you wish to create longer one, you have to extend the design, of course. Now it's time to make a knot here. So here I am taking red color yarn. I just passed through the needle and created the knot. Now I am passing my needle through all these loops, making a knot like this, and then adding few beads in peach color and red color. Then cutting the yarn from needle and making one knot on top of the bead so that it will not move. So this is done. With the similar method, I am going to attach beads on other side, and before that I am just twisting my bunch of chains to create nice pattern on the necklace, and then it's time to attach beads on other end. Then I am just making a knot by attaching both the ends together. Cutting the thread, and then I am showing you how to do the finished nice clean work at the end. So just taking one piece of yarn, make a loop like this, hold it on one side using your finger and start wrapping using remaining yarn on top of this middle portion. Wrap it tightly. And when you get at the end, pass your yarn through the loop which we have created at the beginning of making the wrapping, and then just pull this previous thread tightly. So it will cover your work nicely and neatly. Now I will just cut the excess yarns and it will look like this. Nice and finished work, and tada, your necklace is completely ready to wear. It's super duper easy to create. I have created this in 1 hour, so you can make it in many colors of your choice. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.